Team hubs are designated spaces for you and your colleagues to coordinate work and centralize crucial project information, so you can streamline your workflow and accomplish your goals. In this video, we'll cover how to manage, organize, and customize your space to get the most out of the Team Hub experience. First things first, managing your space. We recommend designating a specific person on the team to manage the Team Hub. For functional teams, this could be the manager. For cross-functional teams, this is usually the program or project manager. This person will maintain the documentation in the team space and hold the team accountable to the organization standards that are set for the team. Which leads us to organize. The manager of the Team Hub can present initial working agreements in the team space and set up a file structure for the team to discuss and implement. To create a folder, right-click on Team Documents and select New Folder. Having at least a few folders in place to start will help contain the chaos that can often emerge when there are lots of documents with nowhere to go. The folder structure doesn't need to be overly complex. We recommend a folder for each workstream within a project to start, and then refine your file organization as the project progresses. To quickly move existing documents from your Lucid homepage into folders within the Team Hub, click here, select Move, choose Teams, and then select your team and then the folder. Permissions will be adjusted for the document so that your whole team has edit and share access once you've moved it into the Team Hub. Last but not least, customize. For the My Teams page, each team member can pin their most frequently visited Team Hubs to the side panel of their Lucid homepage for quick access. We recommend rearranging your teams on the sidebar in order of priority. To do this, click and drag them in order. You can also remove a team from the sidebar by right-clicking and selecting Remove. The team can also be renamed and the color of the team's icon can be changed. If a new colleague joins your functional team, or if a project expands and you need to add additional collaborators, select Invite Team Members. Remember that the purpose of Team Hubs is for coordinating work, so it's best to limit the team members within the team space to only those who are actively coordinating the deliverables of a given project. If arrangements change and certain team members are no longer assigned to the project, simply remove them from the Team Hub by selecting the X next to their name. This will disable access to the team documents, and this team will no longer appear on their My Teams page. When a project is over, you can leave a team or archive it. If this archiving happens by accident or you need to bring back the team, go to Archive Teams and select Restore. When one project ends and another begins, you can create a new team by selecting Create Team from your My Teams page. Or you can select the Plus New button from the Lucid homepage and select Team to open up a new Team Hub and start fresh. Now you're ready to manage, organize, and customize your Team Hub so your team can more effectively coordinate work and get things done.